media. Yes, man.
First I did plastic rice. Then Miss Hannah want ban cartel music. No, I can't beef with rotten beef. No man, do not get out of hand, do not get out of hand. Do not get me mad. What the A, B, C, D, E, F? What the F is going on? Let me calm. Let me calm. People after all these years, Jamaican people and corned beef apart. From we yai there with uncle. Bruh. Jamaican people and corned beef are linked from before Jesus getting first pair of Jerusalems. Original J's. When manna did a fall from heaven, a corned beef drop a Jamaica. The first corned beef we make. A Jamaica it open. And we inspire DJ Khaled to talk about keys.
I've got the keys, the corned beef keys. I've got the keys, the corned beef keys. I've got the keys, the keys.
And now they don't want to see us eat corned beef. How we have the rights to corned beef and them a try mash up the relationship. What brother go do now? How the picnic them sandwich a go make? Eh? Where cabbage a go do you know? Where fried dumpling a go do you know? Where rice a go do you know? Where cooked dumpling, green banana, Irish, pumpkin, breadfruit. Where them a go do you know? Sweet potato yam. Where them a go do? Eh? No, no tell me. Tell me. We need justice. We want justice. Corned beef life matters. How we come here get corned beef from Brazil? Look how much bush they about the place, especially on the roadside. I want to talk about allocating budget for the de-bushing of roads. The cheapest way to do it is to give the man them couple cow, cause they don't have to buy no gas. Cow have 4 gut, 1 belly, 4 stomachs, stomaches, whatever you want to call it. Them would have yam from now till a morning, the roadside clean and clear. When them done them belly full, them fat, send them go to the butcher. We got fresh, clean, non-rotten beef produced locally. Our vegetarians no bother with it. No bother with it. Oh, a long time we are telling us if we go straight greens, you know. Me no want to no shut up. Me want to no shut up. Shut up. Hey, take that plate of grass and go one side. Go sit down and yam this. You know damn goats. Me deal with no one next time. What next? What next? Mackerel. Watch it mackerel. We don't know if I you next. Sardine, them a pray you. Them a pray you. Watch your head back. Flour and sugar turn on the yard. Them a plan for lick no chip and escape in a nearby bushes. God beef. God too soon. Oh God.